Welcome to my new warehouse and store in the city of Signal Hill. Signal Hill is a city within the city of Long Beach, California, guys. Welcome to my store. Come in, touch it, feel it, sit down, test out all my products. Now you can shop lash supplies and nail supplies in one store. Everybody that comes into my store gets a special discount. Thank you for your love and support, and stay tuned. Turn on your notifications because we have the store, we got classes, and lots more. Everybody who comes into my store gets a special discount all day, every day, 24/7.